It's week 2 of our bathroom remodel. Week 1 was demo, and now we're on to laying down the cement board so that we can tile. Now this is our first time laying down cement board, and so we did make a mistake in that we created a weak point here by laying four corners actually come together, and you don't want that. So I'm gonna work on recutting the cement board, and then I'll work on installing the cement board. So I cut the new piece to avoid having 4 corners, and we probably should have staggered the whole room, but we didn't. But at least this avoids having the 4 corners coming together. So now I'm gonna move on and actually install the cement board. All the boards are back down with thin set underneath, and I gotta tell you, that was way harder than I expected. And all the videos I've watched, they make it look so easy. I was so messy. It was super chaotic, but anyway, it's down, thin set's down, cement board's back on, and now I'm gonna screw everything in place with these special cement board screws that actually come with their own drill bit.